Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial under Web Tech Tutorial, and today we'll learn how to create a new account in Meetme. Now there are actually two ways we can do that. First is using an email account, and the next one is through your Facebook. Now first, let's try signing up using your email. First, open up your browser and do a Google search for Meetme. So the first one is the one we want. Just click on it. So let's try signing up using our email. First, give in your name. Then fill in your email account that you want to use and type in the password to that account, and then choose your gender, give in a birthday, and click on sign up for free, sign up free. So you may be asked to verify your account. So in case you're asked to do that, here's what you do. Choose your country code in this drop down and give in your phone number in this box, and choose how you want to verify it from this drop down. You can just click on call my cell and then click on continue. Now you'll get a call with the code. Just type in the code. So after you have typed in the code that you received, just click on verify. And now you enter the Meetme page for the first time. Then you want to go over to your email to unlock all the features. Just hop over to your email, and if you don't see any messages from Meetme in your inbox, just check your spam folder, and there it is. Just click on it, and as you can see, to have your account verified, click here, just do what it says. So you have now signed up for Meetme. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, you can log into webtechtutorial.com and ask your questions in the Ask Questions section on the site. So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time.